Hello and welcome to another maths art video. Today we're going to be drawing some Sierpinski triangles. Now that sounds much more complicated than it actually is. You can find some templates on the website that you can print out, but you will need a pencil and a ruler. If you don't want to print out my templates and you want to draw your own, you're going to need to draw an equilateral triangle. So you'll need a protractor to help you draw it and make sure all your angles are 60 degrees. So you should start with a triangle like this, and you're going to measure carefully halfway along each line. Now, I haven't got a ruler here, so I'm just doing mine by eye. You're going to join up these lines, so you should have 3 straight lines, and as you can see, I've made another triangle inside my triangle. You're going to leave this one in the middle to be this size, but on the 3 triangles around the edge, you're going to draw halfway again, and you're going to draw another triangle inside. Now all the triangles that you're drawing, as you can see, are going to be pointing face down, and all the ones on the outside are face up. So the ones that are pointing downwards you are always going to leave and not draw inside of. As then if you keep going, getting smaller each time, you'll end up with something like this. Now to help you, on one of the templates, I've put some marks down the edge. Now there are 16 of those marks, so halfway will be 8, so that might help you. On my original one, the whole line is 16 centimetres, but when you print it out, it might not work exactly like that. If you're finding it a little bit tricky to do all the measuring, then there is some triangular paper on the template as well, where it will be much easier, and you can see I've put 3 dots for you. So to start with, you just need to join those dots up, and when you've done that, I'm just going to move to the top. You will see, if you count the triangles, that if you count halfway up, you need to count 8 jumps up the side, and then you can just join the straight lines. Now mine's a little bit faint on here, so I'm having trouble seeing it, but I'm sure you'll be able to see when you've printed it out. And then you do exactly the same, counting the triangles to make sure you go halfway each time to draw your smaller triangles. So when you've finished, you'll have something like this, and it's time to do some colouring. So you can decide what colour scheme you're going to have. I'm going to start with some purple, and I'm going to colour my biggest triangle in, and I'm going to colour my smaller ones. Now you might want to use more than one colour, or you might want to just stick to using 2 colours, one for the ones pointing down, one for the ones pointing up, but you can carry on and colour as you like. I've got some examples here of some ones I tried out at home. As you can see, there are various different ones. Down the bottom I have used just 2 colours. I've tried some shading of different colours on this one, and I've done different patterns. Now the Year 5 bubble did some of these in school today, and we put them together to make a giant Sierpinski triangle, as you can see, like that. Now I would love to see your examples, so don't forget to email them to me, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye!